Hi developer, welcome to another video. This will be a special video because I set a challenge for myself to build a Shopify app from scratch using only AI in only 24 hours. So let's start the challenge. So today is the 28th January of 2025 and it's currently 4:50 p.m. and let's start the challenge. So the first part, it will be getting an idea. So I will be using Claude to get an idea for my Shopify app. So let's go back to the screen. I am a Shopify. So this is the prompt. I said that I am a Shopify developer and I am looking to build a Shopify app and give me the potential Shopify store owner problem and give me a Shopify app that will solve that problem in only 24 hours. So let's see what we will get. Awesome, so we are getting some idea. The first one is product review reminder. Store owner struggle to get customer to leave review. Basic store alert system. Customer can track when out of stock will return. Bulk product timer. Want to create urgency by setting individual countdown timer. Simple cross sale manager. Order follow up. Okay, that's good. I noticed one thing. So Shopify developer X account released this trending category, so I will add it also to the list. So this one, this is by Shopify dev team. Just give me the idea. Awesome, so based on the information that we get from the X team, so I added to the prompt, so it does have some information about what is trending right now in the Shopify app store. So the first thing is pre-order. So we have a simple product countdown, auto switch products from pre-order to live when inventory arrive. That's pretty good. Basic waitlist system, collect email for out of stock item and send notification when unavailable. Alert store owner when pre-order hit specific number. So we have in the tweet, we have automated waitlist with priority queuing. So I think I will so we have, this is the core feature. VIP customer gets higher priority based on their spending history. Previous waitlist participant gets medium priority. New customer gets standard priority. Each tier get notified in a sequence when the stock arrive. Awesome, that's good. Automated notification. Email sequence based on the queue position. You are in next in line alert. Stock arrival notification with exclusive purchase windows. That's good. Purchase reminder if not bought within Windows Store owner dashboard. View waitlist size per product. See breakdown of the customer priority level. Monitor conversion rate from the waitlist to purchase. Configure priority rule. Add notification windows. That seems good. So we have the queue data for each product, customer priority scoring system, automated email trigger system, stock level monitoring. So I think this is the app that we'll be building. So we will have a queuing system for the waitlist. For example, when a customer join the waitlist and they spend over $100 with us, they will get higher priority. With an existing customer or existing member in the waitlist will get a medium priority, and new customer or new email will have the standard one. And we can have automated process for that, for sending notification and email based on the queue system. And you will have a purchase windows that you can get the products before it closes. That really sounds good. That's a pretty fun one. Okay, so we will have basic customer sign up. We have simple email connection that we'll be using the Shopify team app extension to include the button in the product page. We will have basic validation to prevent duplicated entry, automated queue in system position assignment, drawing list, okay, 2-tier priority system, keep it simple, previous customer, new customer, scale complexity for the MVP, makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, makes sense. But for the EVP, I think that's pretty good for what we are building. I didn't like I did a market research or something because I have this piece of information that got me excited about this challenge because it's based on real data from the Shopify store owner in January. So it does make sense. I would say pre-validate idea. Awesome. So we have a Shopify app idea that will be a waitlist app with automated queuing system. And this is what we'll be building next. And let's start. So I will be using the Shopify Remix template. I will be using Cursor. It's the AI editor. I will be using V0 for some part of the UI. It's done for Cursor, but we have one thing for Cursor is to give us a name for the Shopify app idea. So let's ask it. Give me a name for this Shopify app idea. So we have stock options, stock queue, weight wise. This one, click for me. Queue keeper, start alert pro, priority list, wait list, queue master, stock wise. I think I will go with weight wise. I don't know, but it does click for me this name because it's applied like a smart whitelist management. So I will call it weight wise. And let's build this Shopify app. So let's start. So let's go to the Remix app. And it will be the dev git clone. What's the name? It's I forgot already. Waitwise. npm install. So that's good. So we got the Shopify app idea, we got the name using Claude. So the next thing I will be using Cursor as my AI code editor. I will be using V0 and Bolt and maybe also GitHub AI Copilot or I don't know. So I have to use AI only to build this app. Let's run npm run dev. I should check the domain name if it's available for this one, but I might have to change the name later on because it's not available. But yeah, this is just an experiment. That's good. Let's install the app, and after that duplicate tab and open it using Cursor. So this is the app. It's open using Cursor. I will have to do some modification first. For the Prisma, I will not be using SQLite. I will be using PostgreSQL. The URL, it will be from the environment. So I will be using database URL. That's good. Because I switched from SQLite to Postgres, I need to do a modification. So it should be timestamp here. And let's add the environment file first. Database URL. Let's paste my PostgreSQL. So this one, it will be wait wise db. That's good. That's a good name. And let's run npm prisma migrate, deploy. Awesome. So we have all the migration has been applied for the new Postgres. I will be using table plus to view all of this stuff and add new connection Postgres, and let's name this one wait wise. The password is password and the username is Elias. The host is the default one. The DB is this one. Let's test it first. That's good. Connect. We have the session, the Prisma migration, and let's open up the app. So, and let's see. Yeah, we have this session. It should be there. Probably I have to kill and rerun the app. Yep, currently the session is working with the Postgres. So we have everything that we need currently. We have the welcome page, we have the session storage setup. So let's start building the app. So I had a break, let's go back to work. So let's open up Cursor, let's go to our schema. And currently we have the session, and let's add a model for the store. So that's about it. That's good. So currently we have the session, we have the store model. So let's go back to Claude. Awesome. So we have a model for the waitlist, and also we need to add each waitlist will be linked to and let's go back to Shopify product inventory API. And so let's go to the product variant. We will get the inventory management, okay, policy. So let's go back to the cursor, add model for products. But here there's a problem. There's a difference between product and product variant. But usually when you are shopping throughout the Shopify store, for example, I will go here. I will go to the products. And maybe let's go to this one. Yeah, this one doesn't have any variant. Maybe let's add a variant here. Not sure. Let's do size. Let's do color. And the value, let's do black and white. That's good. Okay, so let's check the JSON. As you can see, the inventory, it will not be in the product itself, but it will be in the variant. That's good. So we have in the store, we have product variant. So we can enable or disable. By default, it should be false. So currently we have add the store. The store will have the shop, which will be act as the ID because it will be unique to each Shopify store. And wherever we install a Shopify store, we will create a new one and delete it. On the install, we have created an update add. We have all the session. We have all the waitlist. We have all the product variant related to this Shopify store. We have the waitlist. We have the ID, email, product ID. Instead it will be product variant ID, and here let's update it here also. Priority will have, it will be high, medium, low, and that's good. Store IDs and product variant, so we have link the product variant. Let's move it here so it will be easy to read for us. We have product variant, will have the ID, the Shopify ID. We will have enable or disable. We have created updates at inventory level, product ID, so the parent product ID. We have the store and the waitlist that is pointing to this product variant, and we have inventory level for the product variant. That's good. So the first thing that I will do, I will go to app and go here. We have something called the hook, and we will have after auth hook, and this one, it should be a function. I will have sessions, this session that we will need. So after the auth has been done, we can just do await Prisma, for example, dot store, but we need to migrate, create, and the create will accept data that will be the shop, so it will be session dot shop. First of all, let's migrate the stuff that we did. So Prisma migrate dev and one thing I noticed here is I don't need to link this one. Yep, just remove it, and the Prisma remove linked session with store model. That's good. Yeah, I already have it here. It does create the session and the shop. So we have the shop, we have the session, it's an offline one, and when it's created, it does invoke the after auth hook. And let's go to the route. Yes, here. Build me a page with function to select a product from Shopify using Shopify app bridge, and option to save it in our database using action function. Let's accept it. Yes, it doesn't fully understand what I'm looking for. Yep, it doesn't work like that. That's the problem. So the loader doesn't have anything, which is good. We have the admin. Okay, it does get me the product ID. Okay, it's not what I'm looking for. but yeah, let's remove all of this. This part is good. It should be product variant ID, products variant ID, and here the source picker. Okay. It does accept option. The first one is type. Okay. The type will be, in this case, it will be products. The second one is the action. The action will be select. So action will be select. And we don't need any filter right now. Multiple. Nope. False. Okay, let's console log this one. Let's console log the product select. Let's go back here, refresh. Okay. Where is this one has been called? Yep, it's in the title bar, but I don't see that. Interesting. So let's have it maybe somewhere here. Yeah, that's good. Okay, maybe later on we can have it. Okay, let's select it. That's good. Let's go to the console. It's info. We have an array. That's what we are looking for. And in the array, in the variant, it will be the first one that we are looking for. Okay, this is the product variant that we are looking for. That's good. Let's go back to our app. Save selected product. It should be saved successfully, and it should be here. Awesome. So we have the product ID. We have the ID, which is the product variant ID. It's enabled. It's created right now, and the inventory is out of stock. That's good. So the second thing, so we can currently get the product variant ID, and we have it set. It's enabled. And the second thing that we'll do is to create the Shopify team app extension to be able to load the button if this one is enabled or disabled. And I will be using proxy. Let's run npm run Shopify app generate extension, as we did in a video YouTube that you can check it here right now for creating a Shopify team app block extension. So that's team app extension. This one, let's call it the waitlist button. That's good. Okay, we have it. Let's add it here. Yeah, we have it right now. So this is like the simple one. We have an input and we have a button. So that's good. We are making good progress. So I already have Cloudflare linked. So if you don't check out this video, so it will be pop up right now. So I will be using npm run dev. I already have the tunnel set up. So I will be using my podcast to be able to be pointing to our server. And here I will be adding a proxy. So let's go to Shopify. Slash API slash waitlist. And yep. Let's do wait. That's good. So currently it's currently not working because we need to install and reinstall the app, because I made the configuration update to the configuration of the proxy. But first of all, let's run npm run Shopify app deploy to deploy the new changes that we made to the proxy. That will be passed. Yeah, as you can see here, we have new app proxy, we have a new extension. So let's release this version. That's good. And I should kill our stuff. It will still have, yeah, because it's not linked to the session. So currently we should be good. And if we go to the Shopify app, we can go slash apps slash wise. It should be pointing to this one, and this one is not found. That's good. Yeah, it's not found. One and pass it to the post request. Awesome. So we should get back here, click back up, and let's type my email and we should make an API request with the product ID and the variant ID and the email. That's good. That's what we are looking for. So we are making good progress so far. So far we made a simple UI to be able to select a product variant, have it enable or disable, and we built a Shopify team app extension to have it in the product page, so the store owner can have it on the product page and customize it later on, and it will be displayed based if the product has the waitlist on or off. And also we need to check the inventory level, because it doesn't make sense if the inventory level is available to have it turn it on. And also we can have our first customer in the waitlist. That's pretty good. So we are making good progress so far. I think that will be it for today, and let's see you tomorrow to be able to finish this part of the Shopify app. So currently the logic is simple for the waitlist, like the priority. So the priority by default is low. If the email is already existing in our waitlist, like it's already signed up for another product, so that means it's like an existing customer, it will be priority, will be medium. For high, I am not sure about how we can approach it. Maybe if the customer already exists in our database for the store and it already make a purchase before, it should be marked as high. But later on, maybe we can allow the customer to set the rule for which one should be high and which one should be low and which one should be medium.